This video we have one trig equation to solve. So we have a sine of 3x plus pi over 18 is equal to 1. Now if this 3x plus pi over 18 was just a 1, then we would say what expression has a sine of 1? So we simply write this for an x, this would just be x is equal to what angle has a sine of 1 in the interval from 0 to pi, be pi over 2. And then we said and that would be the answer if it was just an x, but it's not. It's 3x plus pi over 18. So then we would go ahead and subtract pi over 18 from both sides here. And bring it over to this side, and we had minus pi over 18. And we get a common denominator, then multiply here by 9 and here by 9. We get minus pi over 18, 9 pi over 18. 9 minus 1 pi is 8 pi, and reduce that down. This would give us 4 pi over 9. And then we'd have the 3x here. Now to get all the solutions here, let's set it up as a general solution. And it says, let's go ahead and add here 2 pi n. And that would give us all the possible solutions for x equal to 3x, and then we could divide by 3. But let's go ahead and do it this way. Divide by 3 here. So we get x can be, so multiply both sides by 1/3 or divide by 3, same thing. It'll be 4 pi over 27. And then we get 2 pi over 3. And this times n. So that would be like the general solution. X is equal to 4 pi over 27 plus 2 pi over 3 times n, where n is any integer. 0, 1, 2, 3, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. But remember, you have to say between 0 and 2 pi. So let's start with 0. If n is equal to 0, this would imply n is 0, so this 2 pi over 3 cancels, and I'm left with 4 pi over 27. So that's one solution in the interval from 0 to 2 pi. Now we try 1. If n is equal to 1, that would imply that x is equal to 4 pi, starting with this one here, 4 pi over 27 plus, and let's multiply here by 9 to get the same denominator. So this would be 18 pi over 27. Now we can add those up. A second solution then in the interval from 0 to 2 pi would be 22 pi over 27. Now let's try n equal to 2. N is equal to 2. Then x will be equal to, come back over here, plug it in there. We still get 4 pi over 27. And then we multiply this one by 9 to get the same denominator. That'll give us 27 down here. And 9 times 2 pi is 18 pi. So n is equal to 2, so this is actually going to be 4 pi here. And I multiply by 9. So that's going to be 36 pi. Okay. 2 there, that's 4 pi. And then getting the same denominator, multiplied by 9. 9 times 4 is 36, because there was 2 times 2 here. And then the 4 made it 40. Made it 36 here. And then 4 pi and 36 pi is 40 pi over 27. So your solutions then for this one then, x can be 4 pi over 27, 22 pi over 27, and 40 pi over 27. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.